will talk about how can you get membership on your YouTube TV app. We're going to figure out this edition or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on membership. So then here can you add your membership if you want to get pass plan here, or so here can you get all this here. So that's all you have to do to get your membership on your YouTube TV app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.